You hired a lawyer from a TV ad because you didn't know an attorney and didn't know where else to look. And now, every time you call the attorney's office, nobody calls you back. It's been days, nobody calls you back. And now you think maybe this isn't the right attorney for you. What can you do next in order to try and find the right attorney for you? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You're watching TV one night and you see this advertisement for an attorney who tells you about this problem that you have. And you say, hey, I don't know any attorney. This guy looks fine. I'm going to call him. Guess what? They sign you up, you go into the office, and now this is the attorney who's handling your case. Well, guess what? Days and weeks go by without any communication from that attorney's office. Months go by. You pick up the phone to call. You say, hey, I want to speak to an attorney to find out what's going on with my case. Nobody calls you back. Or if they do, it's days later. And you want to know, I don't understand. Aren't I important to you? Isn't my case important? Why aren't you calling me back and communicating with me? You're getting fed up. You're getting frustrated. And it's annoying to know that these people who are supposedly trying to work for you on your behalf are ignoring you. Is that really the type of attorney and the type of law firm that you want helping you solve your legal problem? If you decide that that attorney is no longer the right one for you, you can go to any lawyer in New York at any time you want. Your next attorney will then send a letter to your first lawyer that basically says, hey, listen, I want you to stop work. This client has now come to us. We're now taking over the case. Please forward all of the documents, please forward all of the medicals to us so that we can continue on representing this gentleman. So now, how do you find the second attorney? Well, you've got to do a search. Obviously, if you don't know an attorney, you've got to go online, you've got to do your due diligence to determine which lawyer is right for you, who is a good fit for you. And there are lots of different criteria that you'll need to look at to see whether or not this lawyer in this law firm makes you comfortable. If that's the attorney for you, then now it's a simple matter of transferring your file over. And then the attorneys can duel it out about how much each attorney is entitled to if you're successful, because now there's only one legal fee. If you go to attorney number one and then go to attorney number two, there's still only one legal fee. And now the attorneys behind the scenes have to battle it out to determine how much of a percentage each attorney will be entitled to based upon the percentage of legal work that they've accomplished and the result that they've actually accomplished. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because I see this over and over again. People hire an attorney from a television ad or a radio ad or a billboard ad. And for whatever reason, the attorney is not communicating with them. Calls go unanswered, emails go unanswered, replies don't get made. And now the client gets very frustrated and upset and realizes, you know what? Maybe this isn't the firm for me. And now they're looking for another attorney to help solve their legal problem. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit for injuries that you sustained because of someone else's carelessness, and you've got legal questions and your matter happened here in New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.